Hey, what's up guys? Dan Kraus here again. Today I had some free time, and if you're anything like me and you have some free time, you're gonna make something. So we're gonna make an attachment today for this Keco Kbar. This is a very useful tool, but I'm gonna make it even more useful by making a little leg, kind of like this side, only it's not going to be stationary. You'll be able to take it on and off very easily. So I picked up all this stuff here. This is everything you're going to need to make one, and it was about 10 bucks, I think, for everything. And you can actually buy the leg from Keco to turn this into a tension beam, but it's like 80 bucks or something, plus shipping. So I figured, what the heck, I can just get the stuff when I have a day and I'm slow. But I really needed a tension beam for all these repairs, and I do not have one yet. So I'm just gonna convert this really easily here and show you guys exactly how to do that. So let's do it.